Hey guys, here's my trade recap for June 2nd, Tuesday. Finally got a winning day. I actually caught a 1 to 4 accidentally because I forgot I can only have a 1500 winning day here on the Topstep Evals because I was down 500 and I wanted my balance to be already at 1500, so I went for a 2k day, but realized right after that can't have a 2k winning day, so I had to make myself lose 500, which was kind of stressful, but yeah, we did it. And yeah, let's get into it. So I was bearish because we're rejecting off of this 1 hour gap coming into New York session, and I wanted price to sweep these these lows first, because we have a bunch of stacked liquidity here. And once we sweep those, potentially get another move up, because it's starting to not make sense. Like, why do we keep going higher without a liquidity sweep? So the initial start of New York session was pretty bad. We're rejecting off of this 1 hour gap, and there's also lower resistance liquidity here. So I wanted price to sweep this first, these highs first, and then get a move down, but we didn't get that. We ended up inversing this 5-minute gap here right after New York open, delivered off of these 1 hour gaps, and then inversed these 5-minute gaps again, then returned to the 1 hour gap, sweeping these highs. So I was still bearish here because we just swept these highs, so we finally have a liquidity sweep, and this was the move that I wanted right off New York open. So I wanted the price to respect this 5-minute gap here, this 5-minute bullish gap, sweep these highs, and look for an IFVG setup, like right here. And it happened like an hour later, after the 8 a.m. candle. And yeah, so what was good today was my patience. Good thing I didn't take any of these, like it's short here. And entry model was IFVG, so right after sweeping these low resistance highs here, just look for an IFVG out of this 1 hour gap. So we inverse this 1-minute gap here, bullish gap, and I actually entered on the retest of this 1-minute bearish gap here, because that makes it high probability. Right after inversing a 1-minute gap, right after inversing a 1-minute bullish gap, the next bearish 1-minute gap should get respected, if you know what I mean. And yeah, hit a 1 to 4. This trade is valid because we had a liquidity sweep of these highs here, and we are rejecting off of a 1 hour bullish RFI gap.